In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom code to your form in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the fifth option, which is Forms. Now, from your Forms section, what you need to do is simply head over to the form in which you want to edit. I will do this on my pop-up form. Now, on the right-hand side of Form, just simply click on Edit. That will take you to the settings of your form. From here, you want to head over to the small preview that looks like a phone, and at the top, click on Edit. Now, that will take you to the builder of your form. And here, if we simply zoom in, what you can do is simply head over to your form and click on it. Once you click on it on the left-hand side, in here, you will see all of the elements. Now, on this element, what we'll need to do is to add a custom HTML code. And to do that, head over to the top, click on Add an Element. And on Add an Element, you want to scroll down until you find the second to the last option, which is Custom HTML. Now, to add a custom HTML, simply hold and drag within the phone view. In here, you can choose where you want to drop it. Let's say we want to drop it at the top of the text. And once you do that, on the right-hand side, you will automatically have an option to add your code. So on the right-hand side, just simply click on the code. From here, you can start adding your custom HTML code. As you can see, this is a simple example. Whenever you want to call your methods, we will just add our tags. It will automatically be added. You can also change the header. Instead of header number 3, we can type H and then we will choose header number 1. You also want to make sure that this is the exact same thing. And once you're done, at the bottom in the right corner, if you click on Save Changes, then as you can see, it will automatically add the custom code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.